The Samsung Galaxy S21 is a 5G enabled phone. It is available in Phantom Grey, Phantom Violet and Phantom White colors. The phone comes with an 8GB RAM that allows for seamless multitasking and is available in two memory variants to choose from, 128GB and 256GB. It comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 5G on dual standby. Samsung Galaxy S21 has a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display for an immersive viewing experience. With 2400 by 1080 pixels resolution, 421 ppi and 16 million colors, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. The Galaxy S21 comes with a 64-megapixel triple rear camera setup. It also features a 10-megapixel front dual-pixel camera. Powered by Android Pie v10.0 operating system with 2.9 GHz Exynos 2100 octa-core processor. This phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. The phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.